Hello from Dubai. Hi guys, let me show you the view from our apartment. That is the Dubai Mall and the Dubai Fountain, and there's Burj Khalifa. And guess what I got? The viral Dubai chocolate. We are in Dubai. We got the viral chocolates that we're going to try and review for you. And today, I have a very special guest.
That's me.
My brother Aris.
Fresh from Saudi Arabia.
He came to see me here in Dubai. We haven't seen each other for
6 years.
6 years?
Yes.
6 years now. And
What's
and
next?
what's next? By the way, if you are in Dubai and you're looking for the fixed chocolates, you cannot just buy them in the mall or in the airport. You have to download the app called Deliveroo, and then you're gonna go find the chocolates there. You have to type the fixed chocolate, and then the choices will be shown, and you will pick whatever you want. They're only open in a certain time. It starts at 5 p.m. and you have to be very quick because they sell out very, very fast.
So they don't have a shop to
They
get
don't
it?
have a shop, only from their Instagram.
Wow. Pretty cool.
Without further ado, let's start trying on these chocolates.
Chocolate
We have
mukbang.
4 different flavors. We have the very famous one is the Can't Get Nafe of it. And then the next one is...
What's that?
My-
Freaking
no.
incredible experience.
No.
Mind your own Biscoff.
Mind your own Biscoff, okay?
Mind your own Biscoff.
And then the next one would be Better to be safe than salty.
Better to be safe than sick.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
better to be safe than salty.
And
the
then-
last one,
Pick up a pretzel.
pick up a pretzel.
Okay. I
Alright.
think it's 6, right?
6 flavors.
6 yun.
Yeah, but I'm giving 2 to my sister.
Two
So
is- yeah.
we're only gonna be trying 4 today. Okay, first one. Can't get nafi off it. It has a crispy nafe mixed with pistachio and tahini paste, encased in milk chocolate.
Can get kanafi. Kanafi
Can
is like
get
a
enough.
famous dessert here in
Oo,
the Middle
parang-
East.
In baklava?
It's like kunafa, kanafi.
Kanafi. Nafi. I don't know.
Oh my
How
god.
to say it.
She's destroying the packaging.
Ang lambot. Natunaw kaya to? I
It's
hope it's not
nutrition.
melted.
Wow.
Here is what it looks like. And we're going to rate it from 1 to 10. 10 would be the best.
Okay.
And I love pistachio, so I think maybe I will like this one. Ready? Oh my god.
So it has pistachio. That's a huge one. Guys, let's try the can get kanafi off it.
Can get nafi of it.
It's the chocolate
Ready?
of Dubai.
Cheers. No, no. No?
Yeah.
I think if you like pistachio, you'll like this.
If you're nutty,
Naughty.
if you're nutty and naughty, the pistachio complements the chocolate.
And
Is this dark
something
chocolate?
crispy inside it.
Mm.
Isang bite lang para hindi ka maumay. No, isang bite lang. 1 bite at a time.
Okay. We didn't try all?
So, what's the rate? I love pistachio, so I think I'm gonna give it a 9.
9.5.
9.5.
Because it complements all the ingredients.
And the crispy inside, ano kaya yun? Something crispy inside is really good.
It's like a, rice.
Oh, parang rice. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. What's the
So
next
we're
one?
on the second flavor. It's called Mind Your Own Biscoff. Mind your own business. So let's
Mind your
open
own
it up.
Biscoff.
So Sayang yung packaging.
Basahin mo. Ano
It's a
yun?
crunchy lotus cheesecake encased in white chocolate. So it's white chocolate.
Oh, white chocolate.
This time it's white chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put yours here.
Guys, very nice packaging. It's nice for gift. Can you buy me 6 pieces? So,
Ang mahal kaya.
how much is this?
I paid like $100 for
$100.
6 pieces.
Wow. And
Almost more than 100. 112.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Bango.
Smells like pinipig. Oh,
No, you break
Let's
it in
break
the
it.
middle.
let's break it. Ooh. Oh. It's like
Ayan.
there's
Mine on Biscoff.
okay.
Okay.
There's a Biscoff biscuit
Okay,
in
cheers.
the Middle East. So there's like a caramel and white chocolate, and I think this is the Lotus biscuit.
The
Or the
Lotus.
Biscoff.
Hindi ko alam. Ikaw taga rito eh.
I understand now why it's famous.
Ang sarap.
Mm.
Because the white chocolate is a little bit too sweet for me, but the Biscoff, yung biscuit or Biscoff, has that ginger taste.
The biscuit itself is, yeah. Masarap na yung biscuit.
It's really good.
Masarap.
Konti lang.
Mm.
Okay, so anong rate? What's the rate?
It's 10.
10 for you?
It's perfect 10. I like white chocolate.
I'll give it an 8. I like the pistachio more.
Mm.
For me, I like the pistachio more.
Because it's milky.
Oh
There.
man, because of the white chocolate. Sarap. Bili na. Okay, next one we have butter to be safe than salty. This one has a baked sweet cinnamon filo pastry with caramel and peanut butter encased in milk chocolate. Ready for the next one?
It must be buttery.
This battery. Ba't di ko mabuksan?
Do it on the other side. She destroy again the packaging. Uy.
Ooh, red. Ang fancy. Oh,
something
wow.
red and black. Wow, look at the
Look at that. That is so beautiful. Ang ganda.
Parang,
Paano nila yan ginawa?
parang mga tiles.
How do they make it? Anyway, I
Yeah.
think the itsura
Yeah.
is really 10 out of 10 for me. It looks really pretty.
It looks expensive to me.
Excuse me. Ayan. Oh my God. Okay.
I
Ready
want
na?
a small one only.
Small one lang sa'yo. Ang lambot.
Oh!
Wow.
Sarap.
Parang yung pinapanood mo kanina.
Parang ano to ah. Yeah.
Crunchy.
I wonder how's the taste of the blue thing. Mm.
Peanut butter.
Tastes like turon.
Peanut butter with...
Peanut butter and crunchy and ano.
This one is for the peanut butter lovers. This one. Sarap. I think it's close enough to the to the pistachio one. Pero compared to the itsura, this one's really pretty with the light, bright blue.
Parang siyang panot siya.
Panot siya? Pero social na panot siya.
All together in your mouth. But I still like the white chocolate.
Ikaw yung white chocolate?
Mm.
For me, it's close.
It's 8 for me.
I like both pistachio and peanut butter. I'll give it a 9 as well.
8.5.
8.5 lang?
So the
Sure ka? Pero tingnan
Yeah.
mo, ang ganda ng this.
sarap nga.
Ang galing. How did you make this?
What? I don't know. It's the same
Curious.
like the pistachio. Oh, may mga design.
So nice. This one is like parang flowers.
Mm.
Alright, that's it. We'll move on to the last one. Okay, we are in the last chocolate.
It's called Pick Up a Pretzel. Okay. Ano kaya to? Pretzel?
Basahin mo muna yung kung ano yun.
So this is the description. Crispy kanafe ulit with
Crispy
crushed salted
nafe.
caramel pretzels encased in milk chocolate. So this
Okay,
is
so it's gonna
another
be another
milk
white one probably.
white chocolate.
No, the bigger.
I think this is another white chocolate. So kaya pala kamahal nito ah.
Ang ganda ng packaging.
Sige,
Wow,
so-
ube flavor.
Ube. Maybe there's a makapuno. Ah, okay. So there's another artistic design from the chocolatier of
Chocolatier.
Fix. Wow.
It's dessert chocolate.
Smells, mahal.
Smells mahal.
Break
Kunti
it.
lang sa akin.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
look at that.
Dali.
Sarap.
Teka dito.
Mm.
Here. Last one. Ay! Nalusaw na, kaya
Sarap,
pala
guys.
consume it in 3 days.
Mm. This is same like the pistachio. With nuts.
With the pretzel flavor.
Mm.
Salty.
It's not like the Philippine type of pretzel, the one that we buy with the chocolate, but it's pretzel bread that they crush inside,
Mhm.
incorporated with the ano yung mga ano yun?
Sarap niya. I'll give this a 7. Ikaw, anong rate mo?
I like this better than pistachio.
Yeah, I like pistachio kasi. Sarap.
So it's 9.
It's a 9.
Mm.
Lahat naman kasi masarap.
Masarap na.
Anyway,
That's expensive, that's why it's masarap.
that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Follow him as well on YouTube. Ano nga ba yung YouTube channel mo?
Hanapin nyo.
Ano yun?
I am Mavi TV.
Yeah, I will write it down and please subscribe to his channel and mine.
Sarap.
Bye!